Right, so the first question that I'm going to analyze is how does your product use or challenge conventions and how does it represent social groups or issues? So, firstly, the genre research and inspiration. Here, I have a word cloud explaining overall what this topic is about and some links to my posts that I will show you later on. So, for the genre research and inspiration, I found that the purpose of romance was to relate and to sympathize with the characters and to understand the dynamics of human relationships. So, this is what the audience purpose is ultimately when watching a romance film. The costumes that they use in terms of the mise en scène, they are usually quite normal, not eccentric, although they have a lot of significance and they say a lot about the characters. For example, in one of my case studies, Crazy Stupid Love, the main character's sense of style develops as his own character develops. There's also use of lighting, quite luminous, to convey optimism of this romance world that is full of hope. Hope is a really big detail. And so, through the luminous lighting and the bright colors, you convey this glittery world, this full of optimism and hope, basically. The lighting can also be quite warm to create an ambient feel, so ambient lighting used to create a romantic atmosphere, or desaturated colors as well to convey dramatic effects in the more dramatic parts of the film. Also, familiar settings are used so that the audience can understand the whole plot. The audience is immersed in a setting that they find familiar so that they can focus on understanding the character dynamics. And also there's a slower length of shot. There is sometimes the use of depth of focus so that we can focus on the characters, and the use of fade transitions, again to create a slower pace that allows the audience to focus on the characters themselves and what's happening between them.